Market dynamics is a way to project asset growth in the market that uses historical return data from the S&P 500 index over a particular range of time that you will be able to specify from 1970 to the present year. We feel that not only does this lend a more accurate method of projecting the manner in which clients actually experience market volatility, but it also allows the user to stress test their financial plans by using time periods like 2000 and 2010 repeatedly to give the market data a volatile tilt, or beginning the plan in 2000 and running it to 2002, for example, before starting a 37-year cycle to simulate a heavy correction to begin with. The first two input boxes will allow you to select already created asset accounts. The top box is for accounts that are subject to the full volatility of the market, and the lower box is for fixed index annuities or similar products that are equity indexed and have a 0% floor from year to year. Because these equity index insurance products rarely offer dividends as part of the payout equation, there is a radio button for you to select the no dividends in that instance. Anytime you have a mix of dividend paying and non-dividend paying investments, you can select all of the accounts that dividends apply to, apply those results, and then select all of the non-dividend paying investments and apply these results as well. The software will use the results cumulatively so that you can be as accurate as possible. In the time range boxes below, from year will essentially mean the first year of your selected period, and to is the end year. The loop from box is where you would enter where you want the time period to begin again. For example, if you wanted to use the 2000 to 2010 decade over and over 4 times for 40 years, you would enter 2000 in from year, 2010 in to, and 2000 in loop from. The defaults are set to use the longest market data available in our system, which is 1970 to the previous year before the current. The dividend tax box should simply reflect at what tax rate your client pays for dividends. The cap on FIA box should represent an average of annual point-to-point cap rates in the coming years. Once you have tested the value, you can apply it. If you decide to change any of the parameters later on, you can select already applied market dynamics from their blue hyperlinks right underneath Applied Recommends. Once selected, simply hit Unapply at the bottom of the applet and you will be returned to the Market Dynamics page, and the market dynamics that you had previously applied will now be unapplied.